Hey, what's up guys? My name is Paul from Fashionia Develops. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss about maps. Okay, let us start. In SassScript, map are key value pairs. Their syntax is slightly different from lists. They must be separated by comma, and the entire map must be wrapped in our parentheses. So guys, I'm just going to write a code that shows what a map is. So let me just write a code. So guys, as you can see, I've written a code that this is a map that holds red color, which is light, medium, and dark. So maps are never output directly to CSS. It will know what to do with them. Okay, Sass knows what to do with them. So instead, you'll use map function to retrieve values of the map. Well, examine map functions in details in Sass functions chapter, but here's a quick example that I'm going to show you how to retrieve data, these map data in your SassScript. So keyword that we're going to use here, we're just going to use map get. So I'm just going to come here, body, then background, then I just write map get. Then you start with this keyword here, then followed by the color you want to display. So I want dark, so I'll just copy this and paste it here. So when I save it, our browser is refreshed, we see that our background color has been set, and this color has been retrieved from this map by using map get. So guys, I'll just use an example here. I'll just write container and width with height. I'll just give it a height of h. Okay, I'm just define these variables. H, which is 50 VH, and width which is 80%, and I'm going to give it a margin of auto. So I'm just going to give it a margin auto, then background. I'm just going to access this map here and get this light. So I'll use map get then the keyword which is red wrap map, then light. So when we save our file and come here, okay, let's wait for it to, as you can see, all changes made in our sass has been rendered to our css, which is this one, which is being displayed to our browser. So guys, that's how you use maps in sass. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to download the source code from our Patreon page. I'll just post the source code in our Patreon page. So and to access this code, you're going to subscribe $5 size. So thank you again for watching, and the next tutorial will be about operators.